Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow Interview Guide. Today, I'm going to start a new series which is called Drill Down. So, we take a topic and we drill down into it. It is a very special, conversational like mechanism which I'm using here. Okay, I am going to discuss 20 questions which are drilling into a single topic. So, this mechanism is very interesting because it's a conversation between two people who are just discussing a simple topic. Okay, so let's start with the very first topic, which is a burning topic, and it is agentic AI. I hope you like it. Let me know your feedback and thoughts about this, and I will publish more videos. Thank you.
To start off, what exactly is agentic AI?
It is a type of AI that does not just follow instruction, but it takes the initiative. It can set its own goal, break them into small steps, and take actions without waiting for input. It is a kind of like an employee who does not just wait to be told what to do, but figure it out.
So it is capable of acting independently.
Yes, that's the key shift. Instead of just reacting, it observes, plans, and executes. Keeps adapting to the new data, so it is not stuck in a fixed routine like traditional systems. You give it a direction and it figure it out the path on its own.
How is this different from a regular AI agent then?
Great question. Regular AI agents are built for specific tasks and follow set of rules. Agentic AI is more flexible. It defines the steps, adapt the strategies, and even shift the priorities. Think of an AI agent like a task runner and agentic AI as a goal seeker.
And how does that compare to a chatbot?
Chatbots are built to respond in a conversation. They are mostly reactive. Agentic AI can go beyond just talking. It can make decisions and trigger actions. So while chatbots answer questions, agentic AI might actually solve the problems for you.
Where does generative AI fit into this?
Okay. So generative AI creates things like text or images based on the input. Agentic AI might use generative AI to help, but its real focus is action and execution. It is a difference between writing a plan versus carrying it out.
Can you give a real world example of agentic AI?
Sure, let's say in an IT support, agentic AI could detect an issue, diagnose it, apply the fix, notify the team, and close the ticket. All of that without a person clicking through the checklist. So, this is a real world example of agentic AI.
That sounds pretty complex. How does it even work under the hood?
Sure, it works in stages. First, it gathers the data, then reason through it. Okay. Next, it builds the plan, take actions, and learn from the outcome. So that loop keeps running. So it gets better over time.
Does it rely on fixed rule or something smarter?
It is probabilistic, meaning it looks at the data pattern and predict what is the most likely to work. Unlike old school rule systems, it does not need everything hard coded. It adapts on the fly based on what is happening in the real time.
With that much freedom, how do you control its decisions?
Sure. For that, you build in a guardrails like thresholds, review points, and escalation paths. So while it can act on its own, it know when to check in and ask for approvals. Autonomy does not mean zero supervision. Okay, so that's what it is doing. Just smarter independence.
If something goes wrong, can we trace what it did?
Yes, that is a must-have feature here. Agentic AI keeps log of its input, decisions, and actions step by step. So if something breaks, you can audit it and understand why it happened.
What if it hits something outside its training data?
Sure, ideally, it knows when it is out of its depth. A good agentic AI will pause or escalate the task instead of guessing. Okay, so that's a part of keeping the system safe and trustworthy in case something outside training data has happened here.
What defines an effective agentic AI system?
So it needs strong decision making, continuous learning, and smart planning, but also the ability to collaborate with humans, system, and even other AIs. It is not a solo operator. It works as a part of bigger ecosystem.
Is that only useful in technical roles or wider than that?
Way wider. You will see it in HR screening, finance approvals, supply chain monitoring, even customer service as well. Any task that involve rules, data, and judgment, it will be beneficial for that role or work.
So, what is the big business value here?
Okay, it has various most important business values, such as you get faster decisions, fewer manual tasks, and better use of human time. It boosts the productivity without burning out teams. Plus, it scales without needing to hire 5 more people.
Should employees be worried about losing jobs to this?
Honestly, it is more about changing how job works. Repetitive steps get automated, but strategic and creative work become more important. So people shift from doing the task to guiding the system. Okay, this is the technological shift here.
What are some of the risks that come with agentic AI?
So there are various risks such as so bad data can lead to bad decisions, okay, and very fast. So if the system is not trained well or monitored properly, it could act as an unexpected way. That's why governance and testing are critical from day one.
Which industries are using it right now?
Okay, so IT is leading, especially in operations and security, but it grows fast in finance, logistics, HR, and customer support. Basically, an industry that needs speed and scale is looking for it. Basically, any industry that needs speed and scale is looking into it.
If a company wants to adopt it, where should they start?
Okay, so a company should start small with the focused use cases, such as automating support tickets. Okay, test it, get the feedback, refine the logic, and then scale it from there. Don't try to automate the entire business in a one shot. It is a step by step process, and you get to it.
What about data privacy and compliance? How do you handle that?
Sure. You have to design for it. Okay, with encryption, access controls, and clear policies. If agentic AI touches the sensitive data, it needs enterprise grade protection. So we can say security is not a feature, it is a foundation here.
Last one. Where is agentic AI heading in the future?
So it is heading towards AI that is not just helpful but collaborative as well. In few years, we will see agentic systems working alongside teams, not behind the teams. Okay, so they will collaborate and work together. Think of them as our digital teammates that drive the real outcomes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.